Hello guys, welcome to the Manu Education. So today in this video we'll talk about the top 10 MBA colleges in Maharashtra who are accepting the Maharashtra MBA CET score. So according to ranking, the college repo, college stack and placement packages, here I listed top 10 MBA colleges in Maharashtra. So which is the top college and what exactly the ranking of that particular college. So we'll see in this video the cutoff, fee structure and also the placement. So to know about these all particulars, stay tuned with me. So very first one of the best college, undoubtedly best college is JBIMS, the Jamnalal Bajaj Institute of Management Studies, located at Churchgate, Mumbai, or we can say that the CEO factory. Because it has the strong alumni contact और जितने भी alumni है सारे CEO है in the top companies. So guys, let's talk about the particulars. The cutoff to enter into this particular institute, you should have 99.97 percentile. Fee structure की बात करें then 3 lakhs per annum. Very nominate fee structure है. With respect to the packages, then average package is stand at 22.84 lakh per annum. So guys, compare the fee structure and the packages. This will gives you the best return on the investment. इतना अच्छा पैकेज इवन IIMs भी नहीं दे पाएंगे आपको, बिकॉज IIM की अगर बात करें फी स्ट्रक्चर देन अराउंड 15 to 20 लाख फॉर 2 years, यहाँ आपको फी स्ट्रक्चर होगी 6 लाख फॉर 2 years और पैकेजेस सेम एज पर IIMs 22.84 लाख इट इज द एवरेज पैकेज. हाईएस्ट पैकेज की बात करें देन 33 लाख पर एनम. सो दिस इंस्टीट्यूट स्टैंड्स फर्स्ट रैंक. Second one, the SIMSRI, Sydenham Institute of Management Studies, Research and Entrepreneurship Education, which is situated at Churchgate, Mumbai, run by the government of Maharashtra. So guys, fee structure यहाँ काफी low होगी, placement package JBIMS से कम है, then also it stand at the second rank. So these all are the particulars. Cutoff 99.93 percentile. फी स्ट्रक्चर 1.5 lakhs ये 2 years के लिए फॉर द जनरल कैटेगरी कैंडिडेट. रिजर्व कैटेगरी कैंडिडेट की बात करें देन फी स्ट्रक्चर काफी लो है. यू कैन चेक ऑन द ऑफिशियल वेबसाइट. एंड पैकेजेस की बात करें देन इट गिव्स यू द 12 lakh per annum package. So this also gives you the best return on the investment. Now third one, well known as V School or we can say that the Wellinger, located at Nariman Point, Mumbai. Private institute है, fee structure कुछ high है, but with respect to the packages, then it's decent or best MBA college in Maharashtra. So cutoff 99.82 percentile, fee structure 6.8 lakh per annum, packages की बात करें then 7.8 lakh per annum. So this institute stand in our rank list at third place. So guys, if you want to enter into the top institute, always try for the first, second and third rank. First JBIMS, second Sydenham, third Wellinger. Now move to the fourth one, and that is nothing but the Pumba Department of Management Sciences, located at Ganesh Khind, Pune. If you are from Pune and nearby Pune, then guys this is the best college for your MBA program. So cutoff 99.71 percentile. Fee structure काफी low है because this is the government college, 1.4 lakh per annum. If we talk about the placement package, then 6.4 lakh per annum. So gives you the best return on the investment. So guys, जितनी fee structure high होगी जरूरी नहीं है top college वही है. We can compare that highest cutoff is equal to top colleges. So Pumba is one of the best college. In our rank list, it stand at 4th place. Next one, the SIS College of Management Studies, located at Nerul, Navi Mumbai, and this college stand at 5th place. So particulars, your cutoff should be 99.68 percentile. Fee structure, private college है 5 lakh rupees and packages then 5.5 lakh to 6 lakh per annum. 6th place, another government college, the College of Engineering Pune, well known as COEP, situated at Shivaji Nagar, Pune, the best college in Pune for the business studies. So these all are the particulars. Your cutoff should be 99.61 percentile. Fee structure 4.1 lakh per annum. Packages की बात करें then it gives you 5.5 plus 5.5 to 6 lakh per annum. Next one, the XIMR, nothing but Bombay St. Xavier College Societies, Xavier Institute of Management and Research, located at Churchgate, Mumbai. Now this is at the 7th place. So to enter into this college, cutoff should be 99.58 percentile. Fee structure 5.2 lakh per annum है, while packages की बात करें then 5.5 plus. Next one, Chetna's Institute of Management and Research. Full name is Chetna Ram Prasad Khandelwal Institute of Management and Research, situated at Bandra, Mumbai. Your cutoff should be 99.39 percentile. Fee structure यहाँ 4 lakh per annum है. पैकेजेस की बात करें देन डिसेंट पैकेज है 5.5 to 6 lakh per annum का. Next one in our rank list at 9th place the MET. MET is Institute of Management Studies, the Mumbai Education Trust, okay, situated at Bandra, Mumbai, and your cutoff should 98.86 percentile. Fee structure 3.4 lakh per annum है, कम ही है. पैकेजेस की बात करें देन 5.5 to 6 lakh per annum. And the last one, the Lala Lajpat Rai Institute of Management, situated at Mahalakshmi, Mumbai. And your cutoff should be 98.44 percentile. Fee structure की बात करें देन 3.4 lakh per annum. Packages इतने खास नहीं है, but average package is 4 to 5 lakh per annum. So guys, with respect to अगर फी स्ट्रक्चर की बात करें then फी स्ट्रक्चर might be vary हो सकती है. जो भी फी स्ट्रक्चर मैंने यहाँ मेंशन की है as per the official website and as per the research. And अगर पैकेजेस की बात करें then these all are the past records. These all I listed are only the average packages. Highest packages की बात करें then you will see beyond all these numbers. Okay guys, so this is all from the today's video. The top 10 MBA colleges in Maharashtra who accept the MBA CET score. So if you want a preparation for it, you can contact us for live classes, classroom preparations, books, mock, GT, VAT, interview or mentorship programs. For online and live class, call at 8828581455 or you can also call on these respective numbers. For all exam updates and the notifications, you can follow our social media handles such as the YouTube, Facebook, Insta, and you can also join our Telegram group. So you will get latest updates on all these channels. Subscribe our new YouTube channel, Manual MBA Entrance. Guys, link I already mentioned in the description. Kindly check the description. So this is all. Thank you very much. All the best for your preparation. See you in the next video.